Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today, umuulan pero pupunta kami sa camping. First time ko mag-camping. So, excited ako. Samahan niyo ako at explore natin ang state park ng Washington. So, may mga kasama kayong mga friends ko dito. I'm so excited! Samahan niyo ako! Yan, so guys, dumating na kami dito sa aming campsite. Ayan. So dito kami mag-spend ng 2 nights. Sure! Yan. Ayan. Yun ang aming mga kasama. Tapos may barbecue na dun sa kapitbahay. Doon. Ewan ko may nakikita kayong usok. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? Ayan. Medyo malamig kasi although summertime na dito, malamig pa din. Kasi nga nasa forest, nasa kakahuyan. So, ayan. Ayan. Ganda, di ba? There's more people coming. So guys, ito, nagsiset up na kami ng tent. Tapos, yung airbed. Yan, bubombahin na namin para may tutulong lang kami mamaya. Kasi sa labas, ganyan siya. Ayan. Ayan, ang naka-figure out kung paano maghanginan. Hi Alexa! Oops! Are you hiding from me? Are you just hiding from me?
There's Ann coming.
Hi, Ate Ann.
So, I'm cooking the
Sige,
salt and pepper chicken.
yeah, go ahead.
Doused in butter and gonna taste like rotisserie.
So, let's
Go,
wait
go.
for it to cook.
Oh.
So, itong niluluto natin ngayon, niluto ko na to sa vlog ko. Ito ay sinigang, shrimp sinigang tom yum fusion.
Yes.
Oh, di ba? And this is the first time that
Fusion.
they're gonna try it. Yeah.
Come here, Alexa.
Now it's your turn, Brad. Explain what you're doing.
Okay, so this is heavily salted and peppered on each side. As you can see, this is a lot of pepper. But we're gonna melt some butter on the grill, and we're gonna be turning this chicken every 30 seconds and brushing it with butter, and it's gonna end up tasting like rotisserie chicken.
Wow. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to that
Oh yeah.
moment. We sit there.
Huli huli chicken.
That's how we call it?
That's how we call it in
The
Hawaii.
Hawaiian.
Oh,
They call
okay.
it in Hawaii.
Huli huli.
Huli huli?
That's
Yep.
perfect
Oh, in
for-
English,
for
that's
tonight.
catch.
Catch
Yeah,
catch.
catch. Like that kind of catch fish. Oh,
I
it's
want to-
perfect for tonight, huh?
Oh,
It's
yes.
soup, 'cause it's cold.
That's correct. So, what I normally do, I take them off the heat because
You don't want to overcook it.
Yeah,
You
if
don't
it's
wanna
overcooked, you know the
It's so hard to peel though.
yeah, because the shell
The shell.
sticks to the meat. So
Yeah, true.
I hope I don't disappoint you, but I really love this. It's really good.
Yeah, I can smell it now.
You can-
Actually,
You can actually smell the milk. And it's not even done yet. See?
exactly. there's a I can see potential.
My turn.
Okay.
I'm gonna make coffee.
Yeah.
All right. Sure.
That's his entry for tonight. That's his entry. That's his entry.
Don't worry. I'll give you some time. Like,
Okay.
you know.
Nothing like low and slow.
Really? I think I'd agree.
Low? What, you want high and fast?
I know.
I think you want low and slow,
Low
right?
and slow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I
That's
thought.
what it's on.
Yeah.
That's what he likes too.
Yes. Of course. Don't you? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put chicken stock.
You
Chicken
guys
stock.
look so serious.
Are you taking
there.
notes, Pip?
It's on
I
YouTube
can
already.
just message her and get the recipe.
Oh,
Or you
okay.
can watch my
Oh, and
tutorial.
I can watch her YouTube channel.
Oh, okay. Well, I can watch it too then.
Oh yeah. It's really good. I have muscles.
Oh,
Yep. And let it boil.
let it boil,
Yep.
and then all the flavors come together.
Yep. 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 Okay, so we're just waiting for it to boil,
Mm-hmm.
and we're gonna add in the coconut milk.
Of course.
So, yep.
That's the
That's
the
Thai.
That's a Thai part of it. Yeah.
Thai
Yeah.
part of it.
That's
Yep.
the Thai part of it. They love coconut. They put
Yep.
coconut in everything.
What is that called?
Thailand, coconut.
Coconut?
Coconut.
Coconut. Coconut.
Coconut.
This is Mr. and Mrs. Buck arguing about how
We're still newlywed.
the sinigang mix. This
What
is
is that?
the sour
Oh.
soup. This is local. This is from the Philippines.
Right.
Yeah.
I seen that in the
So.
Asian store.
Yeah. So this is the Thai part. These two,
Yep.
and this is the
Filipino
Filipino part.
inversion.
Yeah. So yep.
Addition.
Veggies like the talong. This is eggplant and okra.
Oh.
Yeah. It's really healthy.
Really healthy.
Also add in the ano man tawag dito, straw mushroom. Yeah. This is also the Thai part of it.
And my charcoal is almost ready.
Coconut milk.
Sandra, do you have tin foil?
Yep.
Yeah. Can you bring me a sheet like that? Alexa.
Oopsie. I just want to break it. So I'm not gonna put everything here because they don't like cilantro.
Who?
Sandra and I think.
No, she loves cilantro.
Oh really? Oh,
Yep,
okay.
and so do I.
Oh good.
But if Sandra doesn't like it, then
Yeah, I'm just gonna add.
just a little.
Yeah, or maybe add it when you're.
Oh, after.
Yeah.
We can add it individually.
Yeah. Correct. Because it depends on how much you want it.
Correct.
What's the verdict?
I'm gonna let you decide, or Well, for me.
Yummy.
Yeah. There. That's his.
The grilling on the chicken is
Chicken.
Yeah.
Tastes like rotisserie chicken. Got to keep it from burning.
that's too much tasting.
Because I like it.
There's your sous chef.
My
The sous chef is hiding.
I'm here.
My assistant.
Amazing in action.
Be ready to begin. So when this chicken comes off, where are we going to put it on?
Paper plate.
Paper plate.
Yeah.
All right.
I want gloves.
Smell.
Get me gloves.
Alright.
I want gloves.
I got Daddy got gloves, but it's too big for you.
I want gloves.
Why is it cold?
This is it.
I mean, this is it.
Yeah, look
It's a finished product already.
Wait until
Almost.
it boils and then it's done. Yeah, it's easy because it's just shrimp or prawns, and
Yeah, it's easy to
it's easy, and the veggies.
Pre, we need to show our audience and then the yeah,
Yeah.
yep. There you go. And then the other chef at the end.
Oh yeah. Oh, the huli chicken.
Ooh, the burning. Woo! Yung palang secret. You have to shake it up a little bit. Whoa.
batter. There you go. There you go.
Oh.
The body movement is part of it.
Yeah, it's part of it. That
You keep turning it. You don't want it to burn.
the movement that makes it taste good, even better. Product.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah.
It looks colorful.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, after ng aming kainan, nag-set up kami ng bonfire kasi it's getting cold na. So, everyone enjoyed the meal naman, yung huli-huli chicken, tsaka yung shrimp, sinigang and tom yum fusion. So, enjoy naman sila lahat. Hindi lang namin nakuha ng video kasi naging very busy na kami sa pagkain, tsaka sa kwentuhan. Tapos, ayan, nag-bonfire na kami kasi it's starting to get cold. Tapos, yun, pa-chill-chill. Tapos, ayun, tapos getting ready na for the night kasi it's starting to get dark na.
Their favorite anthem.
Party.
Okay, so guys, andito na kami sa aming tent. Ewan ko kung naririnig nyo, pumapatak ang ulan. Malamig, pero meron kaming reading, portable na heater. Propane yan, tawag doon. Yung parang gas, siya, powered. Tapos, i-on mo lang siya. Ngayon, carry ko pa yung kaya ko pa yung hindi naman siya yung lamig. Hindi naman malamig na malamig. So, kaya ko pa. Medyo long sleeve lang ako. Para in case tsaka may kumot ako with fleece. Kasi talagang malamig dito sa Washington. Pero, worst comes to worst, if ever lumamig mamayang madaling araw, ready naman ang aming heater. Tsaka meron kaming portable din na ilaw. Yan. So, tapos yung kasama namin, ang kaibigan ko, kasi yung asawa niya, naghaharutan pa dun sa labas kasi, nagiinom pa sila. Medyo umulan na kaya pumasok na kami. Tsaka, bedtime na. Night na. Ayan. So, bukas, ang plano, kasi ang weather ay aaraw daw. So, baka maglakad kami sa beach shore or sa, along yung beach. Tapos, ayun, mag-ikot-ikot dito sa park. In fairness, maganda naman talaga siya. Kung nakita nyo kanina na video ko. So, bukas ulit at na night na ako. Okay, see you again tomorrow.